Dear Weekly Mag fans, today we're going to watch clowns, acrobats, aerialists, beautiful women. We're going to see people like me. We're going to see musicians. We're going to the magical world of Alegria, Cirque du Soleil.
Alegría, como la luz de la vida, alegría.
Right now it's kind of the calm a bit before the storm, but this is the wardrobe department where we take care of all the costumes. On stage you can see 150 costumes because everything is being washed every day.
I read that one costume lasts for 6 months only. Jonathan, do you come from the sporting world, from the art world?
We both grew up in sport, competing for Team Canada, so that's where we met, and that's the world that we come from. So it comes from very dedicated sport life. I've been flipping for 20 years now. So growing up when I was 10 and you first get started, you graduate bigger and bigger and bigger as the skills get more and more and more. But that orientation always stays there from just numbers and ages of doing it.
I go on a lift and I get dizzy, so imagine. I couldn't jump for sure. I understand you guys play, these characters are called the Bronx, right?
The Bronx in our beautiful kingdom of Alegria is like the wind of change. So we're coming to disrupt the kingdom.
Could you show me with your bodies what the posture of these characters are, please?
I like to bounce a lot. So
All right.
So it's like a half between like gorilla energy and like human.
We both play a character in the first half of the show. They're called the main aristocrats, which is the opposite of Bronx.
What are the aristocrats like? Let's see. All right. A bit more like me, right? This is the design. This is his hat. You see the lovely noses. Very nice. Could you tell us any kind of funny anecdotes?
And every day there's like funny situations because you bring people from different cultures. It's always quite different and dynamic, and I think that's why people stay for a long time.
And also because of the massages, right? Because they've got physiotherapists.
Well, we don't get that, but the artists do.
Look at them. They're all rehearsing. It's like, oh my God, I wish I could do that. Can you count how many balls does he have? He's a man with lots of balls, you know what I mean? Very good. Do you play tennis?
3 months ago I started playing tennis, yeah.
I understand you also do your meals here, right?
Yes, we have a full kitchen staff and they're amazing. They travel around with us, and what's cool about the multicultural part is that they will make various meals from different cultures.
You get fish and chips, roast beef.
Tapas.
No, tapas is not good. But roast beef, there's a good tuna sandwich. My niece, she's an actress, Nuria. She used to say when she has to perform, she gets horrible farts. Does it happen to you?
Farts, sure.
This Alegria show opened in 1994 and it toured for almost 20 years. And it's been going on for all this time. It's a wonderful remake. We really like it. Thank you, Pablo.
You're welcome.
We hear that Spanish audiences are quite loud, so we can't wait to hear the reaction. It's amazing to see 2,500 people come see the show, hear them clap every day. There's no better feeling.
Happy, they come here and they come out very happy, don't they?
Yeah, they're full of Alegria by the time they come. They're very happy.
What could I learn today from you guys?
You can learn a bit of choreography. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Look, 2. Like, yeah.
Well, my dear darlings, on a different life, I want to be a circus artist. Now I think I'm a little bit old so that my articulation as well. But otherwise, they're amazing, amazing, amazing people. Gosh, thank you, Francis.
No problem.